the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Yumi Dreams. If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button to join Godmom's family and that notification bell for you to get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back. Guys. So guys, in today's video we are sponsored by RPGSHOW. You guys definitely know RPGSHOW with good hair. So they were so kind enough to send me their beautiful wig, guys. A color blonde and guys. It is a 20-inch, guys, and I am so in love with this wig. It is a frontal, as you guys can see, transparent lace. Yes, they plucked the hair, they bleached the knots, bona, everything. I just had to cut the lace because this was my second installation. If you would like to buy the same hair, guys, everything is down in my description box. And what I love about this wig, guys, is that it is a beginner friendly wig. Never mind me, guys, I'm just having my ice cream, you know. So yeah, guys, it is a beginner friendly. All their wigs, they are beginner friendly, guys. You can check my previous videos from RPGSHOW. They have good hair, guys, and I love them so much. So I'm gonna start with my installation, and my installation is very easy, guys. I use a got to be spray freeze to glue down the hair.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything.
And then, guys, I'm using my hair dryer to dry down the glue. I'm using cold air, so use cold air. And then with that comb, I'm just laying down the lace, yeah.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
And then guys, once I am done, I am gonna apply my mousse. This is the mousse that I'm applying. I'm using the L'Oreal mousse that I love. I've been using this mousse guys for a very long time, and I'm just gonna apply it kapi luabo. Yes guys, and also masala au applied at the back. So yeah, this is so beautiful guys. I just love this installation, and when I'm practicing guys, I'm getting better and better. So practice makes perfect. So let's keep on practicing guys until see shy WIG.
Your love is a one in a million. It goes
And then guys, I am gonna tie the hair. Yabo. So tie, this is the last step guys. You have to tie your hair no matter guys ukuthi wenza yiphi installation. Tie the hair and then thank me later. So yeah guys, and then I'm just gonna come back looking cute and all of that. Now I'm gonna be hyped up to get right. So yeah guys, and then just comb the hair, go to the right. I want to detangle the hair and all of that. Yes guys, so this is the final look. This is how the hair came out. I did my makeup. I'm looking so beautiful guys. Muhle jealous down nanyabona guys. I just love this hair guys. So everything is down on my description box guys if you would like to buy the hair, and also check out my discount code Lapo guys so that you can save your coins. Yeah guys, RPG show came guys. They came barely lilies guys. Yo, this hair guys suits me like so thank you guys so much for watching, and also thank you RPG show for sponsoring today's video. Guys, bye bye.